Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's a must-have for any ice cream enthusiast, the Cuisinart ICE-70PDL replacement ice cream maker paddle. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly do we have here? The Cuisinart ICE-70PDL is a replacement paddle specifically designed for certain models of Cuisinart ice cream machines, namely the ICE-60W, ICE-70, ICE-70P1, and ICE-70CRM. If you own one of these models and need a new paddle, this is the genuine OEM part you're looking for. One of the most important features of the Cuisinart ICE-70PDL paddle is its compatibility. It's crucial to note that this paddle will not fit any other models, even if they look identical. This precision in design ensures that you get the best performance and fit for your specific ice cream maker. When you invest in a genuine Cuisinart part, you can trust that it will work seamlessly with your machine. Durability is another standout feature of this paddle. Constructed from high-quality materials, the ICE-70PDL is built to last, offering long-term reliability for all your ice cream making adventures. Whether you're churning out a batch of classic vanilla or experimenting with unique flavors, this paddle is designed to handle the task with ease. Now, let's talk about the enhanced mixing capabilities of this paddle. It's engineered to churn ice cream and frozen desserts to perfection, ensuring that your treats come out smooth and creamy every time. If you're passionate about homemade ice cream, this paddle will help you achieve that perfect texture that makes every scoop delightful. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a proud owner of one of the compatible Cuisinart ice cream machines and find yourself needing a replacement paddle, this product is for you. It's also great for those who love to make ice cream at home regularly and want to maintain the quality of their creations. Practical use cases for the Cuisinart ICE-70PDL replacement paddle are endless. From whipping up delicious ice creams during a summer gathering to creating frozen desserts for family celebrations,